The triple advantage. Why Paulownia is the smartest choice for plywood. Balsa plywood costs $800 per sheet and takes 6 months to ship. This alternative costs $200 and grows locally. Problem: while manufacturers struggle with balsa supply chain chaos and skyrocketing costs, smart plywood producers discovered the triple advantage that solves 3 problems simultaneously. Solution: meet Paulownia plywood. Light as balsa, but twice as strong, and grows in your backyard instead of Ecuador's disappearing forests. Benefits: here's the triple advantage. Supply security. 5-year local harvest versus 6-month shipping delays. Carbon capture. Verified sequestration credits while you build. Energy savings. 30% lighter panels reduce transport and handling costs. Ready to make the switch? Stop gambling with balsa shortages. Start building with local Paulownia wood advantages. Book your confidential Paulownia supply chain strategy call today at bioeconomysolutions.com.